Today I am reviewing the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a smart, efficient, and hands-free cleaning solution, the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner and Mop Combo might just be the perfect addition to your home. This advanced robotic vacuum is designed to make your life easier by combining powerful suction, intelligent automation, and convenient mopping features all in one sleek device. Let's start with its cleaning capabilities. The ROPVACNIC S1 comes with 5,200 pascals of suction power, which is more than enough to tackle everyday dust, crumbs, and debris. Its three-point cleaning system, combined with a compact and highly maneuverable design, allows it to reach areas that are difficult for traditional vacuums to access, such as under beds, couches, and tight corners. Whether you have hardwood floors, tiles, or low-pile carpets, this robot vacuum ensures a deep and thorough clean. One of the standout features is the 2-in-1 mopping and vacuuming system. With an upgraded water tank and a 4-stage personalized water adjustment, the ROPVACNIC can handle light dusting to tough stains. This means your floors remain spotless and streak-free, without requiring multiple cleaning sessions. The mopping function is especially useful for busy households or pet owners who need consistent cleaning without lifting a finger. Speaking of pets, this vacuum is perfect for pet owners. The no-entanglement design prevents hair from wrapping around the brush, while the dual rotating side brushes effectively sweep up hidden hair along walls, corners, and edges. You'll spend far less time untangling messes and more time enjoying a clean home. What truly sets the ROPVACNIC apart is its intelligent, automated features. With multiple cleaning modes and personalized settings via a smartphone app, you can schedule cleaning routines, set no-go zones, and even adjust suction or water flow from anywhere. For ultimate convenience, it also supports voice control via Alexa or Google Assistant, so you can start cleaning with just a simple command. The robot even detects obstacles, avoids collisions, and automatically returns to its charging dock when the job is done, making it a completely hands-off experience. Overall, the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is a powerful, versatile, and intelligent cleaning companion. With strong suction, customizable mopping, pet-friendly features, and smart automation, it's designed to save time, reduce effort, and keep your home consistently clean. Whether you're a busy professional, a pet owner, or just someone who wants a cleaner home without the hassle, this robot vacuum is built to deliver.